Welcome to Marine Biology. This is Little Jellies, Big Ocean.
I'm Dr. Sarah Reiser.
And I'm mad scientist Blair Coffey. Today we will learn about invasive jellyfish species and their role in coastal ecosystems.
Jellyfish have roamed the seas for over 500 million years. Today, there are over 1,500 living species of jellyfish. These large, beautiful creatures are starting to appear in coastal regions worldwide. Unfortunately, these animals are known to invade ecosystems in which they are not native and cause major disturbances in these habitats. One example of a jellyfish-invaded habitat is the Limfjorden. The Limfjorden is a strait in Denmark that inlets water across the country from the North Atlantic Sea in the west to the Kattegat in the east. Historically, the Limfjorden has been rich with different types of fish, but in recent years the fjord has become heavily eutrophic or nutrient-dense. Runoff from farmland contributes to the high levels of nitrogen and other nutrients that permeate the fjord. This graph illustrates the nitrogen content of the fjord in kilograms per hectare. As you can see, nitrogen reaches very high levels starting in 1960, when farmers began to use high levels of nitrogen in their crops after World War II. The presence of excess nutrients lowers levels of oxygen in the water and makes it difficult for native fish to survive. This, in addition to overfishing, contributes to the declining number of native fish in the fjord. The invasive moon jellyfish, which thrives in waters with low oxygen content, have replaced the fish that inhabit Limfjorden. Though these jellyfish are striking to look at, their presence in the Limfjorden affects the biomass of zooplankton, their prey, and therefore upsets the delicate balance of this marine ecosystem. Eutrophication is an increasing environmental problem worldwide and is an important factor for the increasing number of mass occurrences of jellyfish.
In areas of the world where water temperatures are warmer, like coastal tourist destinations, jellyfish stings are becoming a serious problem. From minor discomfort to medical emergencies or even death, an invasive jellyfish sting is the last thing you want while on vacation. In places where jellyfish blooms are increasing, stinging can occur at epidemic levels and threaten human safety as well as the tourism industry. Many public beaches will be forced to close down if the risk of jellyfish stings gets too high. This chart shows invasive jellyfish species accidentally introduced into coastal ecosystems via ballast water or aquarium trade.
One example is the comb jelly, which is native to the western Atlantic Ocean. It initially invaded the Black Sea in the 1980s and is now invasive to other northeastern waters such as the Sea of Azov, the Mediterranean, and the Caspian Sea. This carnivorous jellyfish species entered into foreign ecosystems and devoured so many young fish that an article in Environmental Health Perspectives magazine states that, quote, by 1988, commercial catches had declined by 90%, end quote.
Not only are jellyfish starting to invade and overpopulate in many tropical coasts, but international trade has unintentionally introduced exotic jellyfish from the tropic ecosystems into the United States. Within the aquarium industry, a valuable commodity called live rock has been a big source of revenue, but it is also causing problems. Live rock is rock taken from the ocean and put into a saltwater aquarium to enhance the overall tank aesthetics. However, there are no bans on what species enter into these aquariums. Laboratory results have shown that a large number of invasive jellyfish polyps are appearing on this live rock and reproducing at high rates. Since jellyfish are becoming notorious bioinvaders of ecosystems, this poses a serious threat to biodiversity. Jellyfish bioinvasion is doing a lot more harm than good. However, scientists from the Natural Sciences Research Institute in Japan called Riken are trying to find creative ways of dealing with the world's jellyfish problem. We will now hear from biochemist Kiminori Ushida, a research unit leader from Riken, about his goals for using jellyfish to benefit the medical industry.
日本列島の北側の海岸はもうすべて、クラゲにインベードされているような状態で、おかげで大変地方の皆さんが困ってますので、その困っているのを何か、産業にクラゲからムチンを取るのが一つのそのインダストリーとなって成立すれば、成り立つであろう。
All right, listen to me. I have an idea. A game.
A game?
A game.
A game?
Yes.
Ah, I love games. Pick me.
All right, here's the game. Whoever can hop the fastest out of these jellyfish wins.
Okay.
Rules,
Okay.
rules.
Okay.
You can't touch the tentacles. Only the tops.
Something about tentacles. Got it. On your mark, get
No,
set.
no, no, wait. Not something about them. It's all about them. Wait. Dory.
Gotta go faster if you want to win.
Dory.
Boing, 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 boing.
Wait a minute.